Where are you going on holiday in 2023? Have you thought of hiring a campervan? Now you can hire the latest Sussex campervan from hiresussex.com. We're making available a camper car VXE. Check in the description for the link to the full tour of this vehicle. It's a petrol automatic vehicle, it's ULEZ compliant, and it's hybrid style. There's no gas, there's no naked flame. Full-time mains power, induction cooking, pumped drinking water. It's got a 50-litre fridge with a proper ice box. It's a beautiful vehicle for a couple of away and have a great holiday in. And the camper car VXE is compact. It's not like hiring a great big block of flats motorhome. You can get, you can park it in parks. You can take this in most places. You can take a car, and if you can drive a car, I guarantee you can drive a camper car VXE. Now, in the description, go to hiresussex.com. Reserve yours. We look forward to seeing you at Sussex Campervans.